In this video, I will show you how to create a free website, domain and hosting for free and forever free. Just type in your browser infinityfree.net and let's begin our video. This website provides a way to create a free domain name and free hosting. If you don't have an account, press register and create your account. Provide your email and password. The registration is very easy. I will log in using my account. Once logged in, I am inside my account, so I will create a new account. I will choose subdomain. There is a list of free subdomains. I will choose the rf.gd and I will try to search for a domain name. I will try Bitcoin. If it's available, it's not available. So I will choose Bitcoins. So it's available. I can take it. So you can change the label, password, and you press create account. So now I can enter to the client area. I will choose to enter to the control panel and I approve it. And this is it, my control panel. I'm inside the control panel of bitcoins.rf.jd. Later on, I will show you how to create SSL for this domain. After we created the domain and the account, this is our website, how it looks like. It's not secure, it's not customized. In the coming video, I will show you how to create an SSL for this website and how to customize it with WordPress. So stay with me and check the next video on how to customize a website and how to create a WordPress account.